if there was ever an at-home styling tool that you need in your life, it is this Revlon one-step hairdryer and volumizer. So go ahead and check it out and see how I do my hair at home and get a salon quality blowout with the great amount of volume that we are all looking for. And there you have it. This Revlon one-step hairdryer and volumizer is a total game changer.
This 4-in-1 hot air brush dries and styles. It can replace the hairdryer, brush, curling iron, and flat iron. The hot air brush has 3 temperature settings: low, middle, and high. It also comes with 2 speed settings. It's lightweight and has a flexible power cord with 360-degree rotation and cool-to-touch top for easy handling. The handy overheat protection function will turn the brush off automatically for an added safety measure. To use, start with semi-wet hair, section hair, brush, and style. Customize the temperature and speed settings to best fit your styling needs. Dry and style can be completed in as little as 10 to 20 minutes. Dry and style hair any way you desire with the MiroPure Hot Air Brush. MiroPure Hot Air Brush. I love me.